Today's business environment moves at a pace unimaginable as recent as 5 years ago. Production, manufacturing, distribution, communication. The wheels of industry are turning faster than ever before. To keep pace and to give your business the best possible chance of success, performance isn't simply desirable, performance is everything. Since 1931, one company has been providing outstanding performance and drive to industry worldwide. SEW-EURODRIVE. Founded to meet the needs of those requiring quality gearing, motors and today, drive controls, SEW-EURODRIVE developed the world's first modular system for power transmission equipment. From humble beginnings, SEW-EURODRIVE has grown to become the world's leading manufacturer, assembler and distributor of modular geared motors and drive systems. And whilst the products created by SEW-EURODRIVE have continued to change and evolve through the years, the principle has remained the same: to deliver innovative drive solutions that allow industry to perform at an optimum level. This drive for superior performance led SEW-EURODRIVE to begin operations in Australia in 1982. Combining German precision with Australian know-how, this Australia-wide network allows SEW-EURODRIVE to offer industry, manufacturers, engineers and entrepreneurs innovative drive solutions tailored exactly to their needs. By mixing and matching components, SEW-EURODRIVE is able to design a totally integrated modular package of drives, motors and control electronics for almost any application and power range. From the largest to the niche. And a $10 million on-site inventory allows SEW-EURODRIVE to supply most configurations within 24 hours. Backing this up is SEW-EURODRIVE's acknowledged role as the industry leader in providing parts and service support. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, the SEW-EURODRIVE team is always ready to keep your business performing at its best. Proud of the business relationships already established in the Australian region, SEW-EURODRIVE also provides industry partners with the engineering excellence and know-how to develop new technologies, new applications and new markets.
JD and Monocrane have been building two-speed overhead travelling cranes for some 20 years. Our iGlide technology applies to the long and cross-travel motions of the crane. We worked intimately with SEW-EURODRIVE to develop the new products. It's a revolution in this industry. It enables people to work with much greater productivity and safety. We went all over the world to find technologists that could aid us in this development. SEW provided the ultimate solution.
One of the largest projects that W&D have been involved in was a series of installations at the Golden Circle Cannery in Brisbane. The first stage of it was the biggest can conveying system ever manufactured and installed in Australia. SEW are extremely good to work with, as they're very cooperative when we've got a new requirement, that they will work with us closely and assist us in achieving the designs that we're after. The long-term costs involved with using SEW are far better than other motor suppliers.
SEW-EURODRIVE has been busy forging new technologies and new markets across many aspects of Australian industry. More efficient materials handling systems for Australia's growing wine export industry, delivering what others had promised but failed to deliver for the Ford Motor Company's new automated state-of-the-art body sideline facility. Most indicative of SEW-EURODRIVE's ability to think outside the square and deliver innovative solutions, however, has been a recent collaboration with Bundaberg Foundry Engineers.
Bundaberg Foundry Engineers developed a two-roller mill and needed an efficient drive, so they approached SEW-EURODRIVE and with partnership with them have developed a new milling concept. We need to have innovative ways of reducing our overall operating costs, whether through maintenance or capital expenditure, and the SEW-EURODRIVE gives us that effect. We're able to do away with a lot of maintenance because it's just one small gearbox.
As SEW-EURODRIVE celebrates its 20th anniversary in Australia, its commitment to the Australian and Pacific region has never been stronger or more visible. A hugely successful annual charity golf day and auction held on behalf of the Mental Illness Fellowship of Victoria illustrates SEW-EURODRIVE's passion for community involvement as does an ongoing sponsorship of the Victorian Institute of Sport's track and field team. A natural fit with the SEW-EURODRIVE charter to deliver outstanding performance. With the announcement that Australia will now be used as a hub for assembling SEW-EURODRIVE products for the entire Asia-Pacific region, SEW-EURODRIVE finds itself in the midst of an exciting expansion program. An Australia-wide network has grown significantly, with staff now numbering over 100. Knowledgeable, experienced and enthusiastic, nowhere is the passion of challenge and discovery that drives SEW-EURODRIVE more evident than in this workforce, with each and every employee a valued contributor to the SEW-EURODRIVE team. Expansion of facilities ensures SEW-EURODRIVE will continue to develop its own expertise and capabilities. Already the most modern assembly plant in the industry, the adoption of a new SAP software platform, a $1.5 million hardware upgrade and construction of a new training facility at its Melbourne plant has recently been completed. This state-of-the-art facility will provide detailed in-house training to those whose responsibility it is to maintain and service SEW-EURODRIVE equipment on site. Progressive, dynamic thinking, innovative quality products, reliability and efficiency, 24/7 support. SEW-EURODRIVE is committed to helping industry achieve the very best results it can. Raising the bar, meeting the challenge. SEW-EURODRIVE. Performance is everything.